Hello all, I'm Dr. G. Devaki. In this video, we are going to discuss about stability of half-filled and completely filled orbital. Okay, so before we are going to enter the stability of half-filled and completely filled orbitals, we have to know what is electronic configuration, because in every atom of an element which consists of different shells, subshells and orbital. So this orbital will be distributed by this electron, and this is known as electronic configuration. And electronic configuration can be denoted by the symbol NLX. N represents the main shell, okay, main energy cell or principal quantum number like 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and L represents the number of orbitals like S, P, D, F, like that, and X represents number of electrons present in each orbital. எவ்வளோ number of electrons அதில் present ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது. See, for example, 3d5. So d orbital in third energy level and it has an 5 electrons. So this is an nothing but electronic configuration. So the filling of electron in the order from lower energy orbital to higher energy orbital. The order of filling of electron will be in lower to higher energy level. Okay. So let's go to stability of half-filled. The main reason for the stability of half-filled and completely filled orbital is only because of two reasons. That one is, first one is symmetrical distribution, another one is exchange energy. Okay, the symmetrical distribution very simple. If any orbital have symmetrical distribution of electrons, that leads to stable metal or stable compound, because see here, this p orbital is half filled, okay, and this is completely filled. Why it is half filled? Each electron can accommodate 2 electron, but here each orbital can accommodate 2 electron, but here each orbital is accommodated by single electron. So this is half filled, and all the 3 orbital is occupied by single electrons, and it is a symmetrical arrangement. Also here in below here, all the electron is arranged by, all the orbital is accommodated by 2 electron. It is completely filled orbital, means it cannot accommodate more than any electron, more than 6 electrons. Okay, we can say it as it cannot accommodate more than 6 electron. இதுக்கு மேலே இந்த p orbital எந்த ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானையும் accommodate பண்ண முடியாது. So that is a completely filled orbital. Likewise d orbital, okay, not p, this is d orbital. Symmetrical na 5 ஆர்பிட்டால்லையும் எலக்ட்ரான் சேமாக டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் ஆகிருக்கிறது. ஸோ அன்சிமெட்ரிக்கல்னால் என்ன? இங்கே அப்வேர்டாக இருக்கலாம், இங்கே டவுன்வேர்டாக இருக்கலாம். பட் இந்த மாதிரி கேசஸில் எப்போவுமே நம்மளுக்கு அப்படி இருக்காது. ஒன்லி எலக்ட்ரான் ஃபில்டு இன் தி சிமெட்ரிக்கல் டைரக்ஷன்ஸ். ஸோ இதில் அன்சிமெட்ரிக்கலாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா, இன்கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபில்டு ஆர் இன்கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபில்டு ஆர்பிட்டால்னா, ஸோ ஹாஃப் ஃபில்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, இங்கே கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபில்டாக இருக்குது ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான், 6 எலக்ட்ரான் சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ இதை சொன்னோம்னா we cannot say it as a symmetrically filled orbital, because out of 5 orbital, 1 orbital is completely filled, other 4 orbital is half filled. So we cannot say it as a symmetrical arrangement of 3d orbital, okay, but this is a symmetrical arrangement of d orbitals, this and this symmetrical arrangement of completely filled d orbital, okay. So this is a symmetrical distribution which leads to a stable complex, okay. So coming to another one, exchange energy. So when the orbital is half filled or completely filled, the number of exchange is maximum compared to unsymmetrical arrangement, okay. For example, here see, I am starting from here. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, all the electron is half filled. So this electron can exchange from here, here and here. Okay. And this electron can exchange in these three positions. Okay. And this electron can exchange here and here. Okay. And this electron can exchange from here to here. Okay, so the possible arrangement is 4, 3, 2, 1. So totally 10 possible exchanges are there in half-filled d orbital. Okay, see here, the electrons which are there in degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbital na all the 5 orbital in D is in same energy. Okay, have a parallel spin and tend to exchange their position. It can exchange their position. Okay, so that is nothing but exchange energy. So exchange energy is nothing but the energy released during this process. So when the orbitals are half filled or completely filled, then the number of exchange is maximum. Therefore, its stability is maximum. Okay, so this is the reason for stability of half-filled and completely filled orbital. I hope you understand the topic clearly. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.